We're back at it again. This time, I'm going after peacock bass in the middle of the Everglades out here. I'm much farther north than I was in my Tamiami Trail adventure. So I'm going to go out here. I'm targeting largemouth bass and peacock bass, but peacock bass primarily. I got a brand new Yozuri. I got some topwater frogs. We're going to go after them and see what happens. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you have another fine day full of fun and adventure.
There we go. Got a little bass. Nice little largemouth. He inhaled that frog. Good job, buddy. Alright. There he is. Just a little bass on a little topwater frog. Good job, buddy. Go back in there, get you some, get you bigger. Here we go, boys. That looks like a peacock bass. Oh no, this is cichlid. Holy buckets. Would you look at that? On a topwater frog, nonetheless. Holy buckets. I've never done that before. There we go, man. Huh. That big old cichlid on that topwater frog, he ain't but maybe 12 inches, if even that. Goodness. Good job, buddy. Go get you some, get you bigger. Big old cichlid on a topwater frog, my goodness. Little dude on the Yozuri. All right, just a little bitty dude, but hey man, it's fishing. Go back in there and get you some, get you bigger. There we go. It was just a matter of time before we hooked it. There you go, little spotted tilapia. Go back in there and get you some. Look how pretty that is. That little bass is. Little triple dots on the tail. Nice orange, pretty green. Go on in there and get you some. Get you bigger. Oh yeah. There's your little measurement for John Gerhold. There's your peacock bass. Go back in there, get you some, get you bigger.